Hey there, I figured this would be a little helpful just to do a quick walkthrough with you. Starting off with the kitchen, this was the wall I was referring to at 27 and a half. By the time the crown comes out, assuming everything's plumb, the front of the crown will be 28 and 5/8. So if we can add a couple pieces of lumber to that, that would take care of that issue. Maybe one piece here. This cabinet's 25 and a half. We'll finish out at, I think, 27 and 5/8. So if we want to add a piece to this wall, this is the plumbing, and this is all to size and scale. That's where the plumbing lands. They might do a narrower fridge. The fridge they have is 37 deep, so it's going to stick out 10 inches past that wall. I mean, that really doesn't concern you. But the electrical and gas for the range works. Apron sink here, so there'll be a cutout on the face of this. No issue here. If I'm assuming they're doing undercab lighting, which I can include, meaning supply just the hardware that fits in the little panel that we have underneath these cabinets, that needs to be stubbed out at 56 inches from the floor. This is going to be sloped back. I just haven't finished dialing that in. Again, to size and scale, I will wait till this is stuccoed before we place these, and we'll just scribe the wood top that we're doing here, and these pieces, those will go on after this is complete, but I don't see any issue there. The master, as far as plumbing, this all works. The linen cabinet, you guys built that down. This all works, so this is sunk back, again to scale. This is sunk back in there. No issues with the master. Laundry room, everything was fine there as well. I think you had 63 inches of space here. It shows on the plans. That all works out. These aren't as tall. They didn't want these to go to the ceiling, so this will terminate at 96. Plumbing is fine for the laundry sink. Laundry sink fits. Fridge, no issue with this wall. Top of the crown's at 96 here, so they're going to have some exposed wall behind these. Bathroom 2. Plumbing's fine, lines up. Clearance with the John here, that's fine. This linen cabinet sunk back in there quite a ways. This is 24 deep. That's what the walls are. Again, top of the crown at 96 for this linen cabinet here. Wine cabinet, bottom of the arch here, top of the arch there. That'll work out. They want a cabinet in the closet right here, just a base cabinet, and then the bench. Wood, stone top by others, just a little bench, and then a wood board here with some hooks. But I'll send you all these elevation drawings, but the only thing that I see that you guys need to add some wood to are in the kitchen. This wall, maybe one piece, meaning a ½ inch out, and 2 here, so 3 inches out. Other than that, everything lined up. Thanks.